This is going to be a short video on how to fix your car when you're blowing warm air for sitting for a while. Also, like loud fan at a stoplight or anything like that when you park your car. It's usually the clogged radiator with like leaves and sticks and rocks and dirt. You just wash it out. Sorry I wasn't able to film more of the disassembly process and assembly process, but there's a couple little clips of the before and after. I did just use a water hose and rinse it all down to get all as much as I can out of it, which made a big difference. Hope you enjoy the video. So right here we're going to remove the tub with that 10mm socket there. The radiator is underneath this little plastic piece here. Comes out like that. And then as you can see inside of here, it's pretty dirty. When you open up this little black piece right here, there's a couple clips all the way around it. And let's check inside of this thing, see if there's any kind of a debris. Oh yeah, quite a bit of stuff inside of there. So physically I just removed everything I can with my hands, and then I came back with the water hose and rinsed it all down. And you'll see here in the next clip how much cleaner it became. If you have some compressed air or a vacuum, that would make it much easier to do. At this time I didn't have the vacuum or compressed air with me, so I just did it by hand. Came out pretty clean, and it made a huge difference when I used the AC in the car. You could tell it got cooler faster. The fan was very quiet after also. I added a couple more clips of the kid trying to close the hood on the car. Enjoy. Did it close?
Yep. And did it close? Yeah. That was close. Hey, who closed it, guys?
You.
There you go.
Self-driving is engaged. Show the whole car. Like it's turning by itself. I'm not doing nothing at all. No.
It's pretty.
It's pretty sick. Show the whole car like this around. You got yourself in there?
No.
Put yourself.
500 feet.
You turn it off? No. Oh, you turn it. Whoa. 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 Oh, man. Why I can't drive it this?
You can.
Huh?
You can drive with the steering wheel or that.
Oh.
Turn, 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 turn. How about the steering wheel?
Whoa.
Pretty cool.